You will first disinfected your work area. You'll be opening up your excision pack, sterile sleeves, 3 sets of gloves, your Krolmans, your Tree Fine, and your Optizol. You will need to document all these items that you're going to be using. The Krolman, under the Krolman, you of course write the manufacturer, which is Krolman, the lot numbers, which are on the package, and the expiration date. Okay. Okay, I have now tossed 2 sets of my sterile gloves and my sleeves. I've opened my Tree Fine close to my sterile field, and I've opened up my first set of gloves that I will use for the open gloving. Now I'm going to open the chamber packets and the Optizol, which I've actually already taken the seal off. There is a little notch here that you tear at the top. Now notice that I am touching these with non-sterile gloves, which is what the departure is. You will now loosen the lids of your Optizol. Now, one thing that you have to be very careful is when you open, you cannot touch the inside of this sterile chamber. You can only touch the outer part of the chamber itself and the lid. So what you're going to do is you're going to loosen the lid very carefully. Pour your Optizol. And then recap. And then do the same for your second. Okay, now I have set my instruments up. My outside instruments are separated from my inside instruments. The next thing you're going to do is we're going to place on the drape. Please note you are currently wearing 3 sets of sterile gloves and will continue to wear 3 sets throughout the first part of the recovery when you recover the first eye. So now I'm going to drape the donor. I've now excised the first cornea. Please note that I am wearing my 3 sets of gloves. When I touch the first chamber, my glove will then become contaminated. You will then step back . Okay. Once you've degloved, then you can continue with your next eye.